Look at me. No, I'm taking a video. What's up? Karina. Boobies. Karina. So, what do you have to say to your boyfriend, Lopez?
Okay, first of all, he's not my boyfriend.
Where you like him, right?
Did I say that?
Do you think it's cute?
Yeah.
Hello. Hey, stop it!
Uh-huh.
Him, him.
Said it's fake.
Okay, what do you have to say to this girl named None? I mean, she's so cute.
She's kind of slow.
Stop it, Sam. Do you want to burn your fucking self?
She's kind of slow.
Jesus. Why do you have to talk shit about behind her back?
She's not
Did you
here.
call me?